Hello students, welcome back to social class. Today we are learning about a new lesson that is from business study part, banking transaction. While reading the name itself, we are understanding that what is it. It is none other than bank matter. It's or no. Before going for a banking transaction, we have to know about the bank matter first. It's or no. Its meaning and how it was came, which word it was derived, and all we are learning now here one by one. First of all, as about the banks. It was developed over 200 years. It was developed over 200 years. It is not now came into be exist. It was nearly having there as a 200 year story. And even as the time was passed or as the time was changed, and it's the nature of a bank also it was changed. When a time So what you understood here means it was started or it was developed over 200 years I told. 200 years back itself it was started being learned. And even though here they are telling when a time was changed, as per the time changing, it was a change means banks or nature also it was a changing there. Earlier it is required only for the sake not to give for others as a money. So no one will be given means they are going and taking from a bank. But later afterwards they started to utilize it for their personal use, as in order to construct a home, as a home loan they are taking there, or about education matter, education loan they are taking, and about many other purposes, as about a vehicle, like this type many other loans we are getting in a bank. So I hope you are understanding. As for the time change, the nature of being bank also it was changed. And what is mainly laid with here in a bank? Bank means it is a financial institution. It is a financial institution which was mainly used the money here. Money is the most important in a bank. Without the money, it won't be a transaction. So that's what they are telling as it is a financial institution. Finance means the money which uses the money and how they are being used or how they are using that money. It is none other than as a deposited by customer. As a customer, they are depositing their money and that money they are giving as like your investment. As investment and as a bank, as a people. Now we the common or a normal ordinary people, we are saving the money here. Is or no? Daily or about a monthly wise we are giving us some amount in a bank. So what will be happen here means it will become as a big amount in a future. Is or no? But this money can be getting returned back? Yes, of course. And even though as a bank it was agreed. It was agreed to return that money whenever as a person who will be saved or who save his money here, he will be get whenever he requires. Agreed to give back or return. Agreed to return those deposit or a deposit will be there. It was deposited by customer whenever he required. When he required, at that time he will get that money. I hope you are understanding. Nearly 200 years story it was having that we learned, and even about when the time changed, the nature of a bank also it was changing here, and also a lot of procedures are there and various purpose it was used by a customer will learn. And even though it is a financial institution, and here main part or it was using a money here, and who will be or how it will be, it is not growing here, it will be grow We have to stand in a line, yes or no? So I hope you are understanding about this matter. And even about this bank. It advances. It advances loan to the customer. It advances loan to the customer and also charging rate of interest. Charging interest. You know that whenever we are in a needy, as about we require money, so we can't go and ask with the other people. If it is they will be having, they will give. If it is they were not having, means we can't force them. Especially for that purpose only, in order to, because earlier you already heard about one thing, that is an indigenous bank we can consider, about a money lender or a landlord. They are making their business there while giving the money to a people. As a people they are taking that amount and so they have to keep their land record here. When they are keeping a land record, it is continuously charging there as a highest rate of interest. So people they can't give back that amount because every year it was increasing. So what it was happening means that land it was entirely it was came under the control of the landlord builder. In order to stop this procedure, or in order to stop this method or about whatever the practices it was held in earlier, for that purpose as a bank it was came into be exist here. And also even as about a bank, it was giving or it was an also loan, starting only giving there as a loan whenever we return for or we are asking a loan here in a bank. There are so many procedures are there, we have to follow it, and then afterwards we will be get a loan. But here what will be happen here is they are charging a rate of interest, because here we can consider as a bank it was getting a development through a rate of interest. And even though depositor or about a customer, those who save their amount, they are also getting there as a more money as about the interest. Whenever they are saving the amount, there are also interest they are getting. Whenever they take the money from a bank, there also rate of interest will be there. I hope you are understanding about this one. Another one is that as a bank, it was exchanging of money from one country to another country. It exchanged money from one country to another. So you know that in order to exchange money, here also we require a bank. We can't do that one, because everywhere different varieties of or different types of currency will be there. In order to exchange that one, we require here as a bank. So bank exchange of money from one country to another country. And even though as a bank it was advancing of money to three sectors of Indian economy we can consider. It is another, yes, agriculture, industry and tertiary sector. You already heard in our last class as about how it was or what are the three sectors of Indian economy. It is one another, it is a link here. So I hope you are understanding. For them also as a bank it was advancing money here, and for a customer whoever required a loan, for them also advancing a loan here as about the money as like a loan it was providing for them. And even about exchanging the money from one country to another country also as a bank is required here. And even though I told that as for these all purpose we can call it as it is a financial institution. Mainly it was using there as a money, it was deposited by the customer, and also even I told that as it was using as an investment, and also agreed as a bank was agreed that they can be or it can be returned back their amount whenever they required here. Clear? I hope you are understanding what it is. Just the introductory part of banking transactions. Now let's go for what the meaning of a bank, how it was came. What is bank? bank. What is the meaning of these two? They are not originally, it was not given as a name as bank directly here. Starting earlier I told that as it was derived from Italian word banco, and then it was derived from French word bank. It means it is none other than bench or money exchange table. Money exchange table. Sometimes we may ask a question regarding this one. Clear? So I hope you are understanding. It may ask that as what are the two words, or what are the bank, or how it was derived from a two word. It is none other than banco, means banco, and also banco. It is another Italian word and a French word. Its meaning is none other than there is a bench or a money exchange table. Clear? And even though a banking company, it was defined as how it will be. Bank we learn. It is none other than it is a one place where a money exchange matter, giving and taking policy, it was taking place. Now banking system, what is that? Let me learn. And in the future also, in the coming classes also, you are learning that one. But here, as about a banking company, it was defined as a company which was interact with the bank, or it was interact with the customer, that is a bank with the finance. Bank with finance. So I hope you are understanding. In order to maintain a good relationship with the other people, or about other country, we learned in our last class as about a new lesson, foreign policy there we learned as about in order to maintain a good relationship with the others in this matter, money matter, here it is required as interaction. So that's what I told that as a banking company, it was defined as a company which was interact with the or it was interact with the customer, that is bank with the finance. Clear? And even though as one of the most important, what they are doing here, they are advancing or they are accepting a deposit from the public and also lending loan to the public. Accepting deposit from the public and lending loan to the public. Not only a one, it is related to individual or company or firm we can consider. So I hope you are understanding what is the two word we learn, and even afterwards how it was deal with. It is another with the finance we learn, and even though we learned that as it was doing one of the most important activity, it is accepting deposit. As a customer they are saving an amount, it is a depositing there is so accepting a deposit from the public and also lending loan to the public. I mean giving a loan to the public here. This is the most important activity it was taken place. So thus here the system of bank is called as a banking. So what is the meaning of banking is? Till now we learned about the bank matter, and here we learned as what the meaning of banking is. It is none other than the system bank is called as banking. And even though as a bank it was receive the amount from a customer, means whoever want to save their amount, for them they are giving there as a charge. So it means whoever want to keep as a money for a future purpose, bank was receiving that amount, means giving that one to a bank will receive it. So and also even for that money it was charging interest, means charging is it is a plus interest we can consider. Here we can consider as it is also plus interest, but here they had to give as a loan matter it will be considered. Plus interest means as a people 5,000 loan taker means here 50% or 50 interest they are charging here means 5,050 they had to pay here. So means they had to pay to a bank. But here as about 50 they will be get extra means as a 5,000 customer here. We know means in the both side also we can consider it as it is a growing money. We can consider as customer part also, as even in a bank matter also. And even though in order to bring a development of any country, it is must or it is required as a efficient banking system is required in that country. I hope you are understanding. The developed country like India we can consider. If any country or a development of any other country, it is mainly based or depend on efficient banking system of that country. Then only it will bring there as a development. We can see there as some of the bank, it is already merged with another bank, and even though some of the bank it was closed there. What is the main reason here means whatever they are charging a rate of interest it will be charged, they will be charging a more, or about they are not having a faith on that bank. For that reason maybe it will becomes to be an end or a close we can consider. So that's what I told. In order to bring a development of the country also, this bank is the most important here. Means they will be provide a loan here means they will be utilizing it in a other way. In a last year while explaining about the employment matter, there also we told that as a employment in order to bring or in order to give a employment to a person whoever record or whoever we will call as a needed person or needy person, for them as the loan facility it was given by the bank will so that they will become as a self-employed person. So I hope you are understanding about this point. If any developed country, it is depending, it should be depend on a efficient banking system of that country. That is must here. And even though these all money, now we kept our amount in a bank, or about we save our amount in a bank like a money. We given there as 100 or 1000 here. Now can we get like that only as return back? No. Here they are telling us as a money it will be repaid in the term of check or a draft or about any other form of bill we can consider. Check, draft or any other form of bill. They are utilizing in a bank this one. You are familiar about that one. Whenever you are going to a bank, that time you will be understanding about these three important things. This is the check. You already observed that one. And a draft or about a demand draft we can consider. Next one is the bill. In that we have to be write something. How much we require, the date we had to write, and we had to write our signature or we had to put our signature here. So many other procedures are there that all we had to follow it here. So that's what I told you as the bank it repays the money in the form of check, draft or even in the form of bill here. Clear? This is all about the meaning of a bank and about a banking we learn. Now let's go for a characteristics or features. Features or what are the characteristics of a bank? See, already we learned one by one here while explaining. Not only one by one I am writing here now. First one is the daily limit fund. First I will write and later afterwards I will explain it one by one. Children, please write down in your book. This is all the point. And still more answer we will go later. First of all, as a daily become money. As a banking transaction, in order to run or in order to run in a proper way means here we require as a money. So bank is mainly dealing with money here. Without the money, this transaction it won't be happen. We learned in the starting. So second one is the individual firm or a company. So here I put a slash mark means it is like a or you have to consider here. As an individual or about a single person, he required a loan or he will be keep or he will be save a amount here. So here bank is mainly depending or mainly deal with the individual or firm activities, whatever the firm activities in order to start an industry or whatever. And about the company matter. For them also as about their salary matter we can consider means there is a bank matter is required here. As in order to start an industry there is we required here. So with any other matter, either this or that we require here as a bank. Yes or no? And even though another one, acceptance of or accepting a deposit. We are as about a bank, it was taking a deposit from a customer here. So it is, I told in order to run in a proper way, it is must. So that's what they are encouraging people in order to save their amount here. Yes or no? So that only as a bank it can be run in a easy and in a proper way. Yes or no? No. Next one is that is a lending loan. Is it giving a loan to the people whoever require, not for everyone. Whoever will be the for them they are not or they are not providing a loan. It is having a procedure. Now it is for example I required a loan. Directly going to a bank asking with the bank manager to give a loan means they won't give you because their procedures are it is a money matter. First we have to be go for according to a deal. Whatever they are asking, sometimes we have to keep there as a security base also. Yes or no? So that's what I told there as a lending loan matter also as a bank or it is one of the most important characteristics of bank here. Next one is the name identity. Because of many types or many varieties of bank we can see. As about a commercial bank, cooperative bank, industrial development bank, land development bank, cooperative bank, indigenous bank, like this there many other banks are there. And this is having its own name. As a Canara Bank or Vijaya Bank, we learned that here it is having its own name. Yes or no? So bank, it will be identifying with its name or else it will be given a confusion to a people those who are having their account in a bank. So that's what name identity is also one of the most important features of bank here. Next one is that is a connecting a link. It is having a mutual understanding with the customer and a banker. Without which it won't be run, I told here. So it is a connecting a link with the customer. Even as they have to be given as a good service to a customer. Then definitely they will be telling or they will be encourage other people to take a loan here in that same bank. So it is just a connecting or about it is bringing there as a mutual understanding and it is bringing there as a good relationship with the bank and a customer here. So it is a connecting with the customer we can consider. As a bank it was a developed here, but as a customer he will be in a bank and also they are not knowing about each other. But about or because of that bank matter they will be connecting their link here. So that is another most important feature of bank. Next one is that is ever increasing services. It is not like a stagnant we can consider. It is a continuous process. We will be saved. It should be a circulator amount we can consider. Even now we are giving extra money we will get. Again you are taking a loan. They are charging. Again we have to give extra amount to a bank. So it is like a ever increasing services. How it was there in the last 10 or 50 years back. It won't be having now. So entirely different of value of money we can consider here. How much we were giving a value to a 10 rupee. Now we won't give that much. So because the amount it was increasing its value. So now another one is there is a payment and a withdrawal. It is just a paying of money and it is just like a withdrawing of money. We will be keep and we will take a money. So it's our money. Why we are keeping in a bank means if it will be there in our hand means we will be utilizing for various purpose. then later afterwards we were not having any amount in our hand. So that's what we will be paying the money in the bank, because it is like a safe custody we can consider. It will be getting a protection here. So I hope you are understanding about the payment and the withdrawal here. Next one is the profit and service orientation. And next one is the agency and utility service. Next one is the banking business. Yes, so these are the important are they? Let me learn about these three. As about the profit and the service orientation, it was giving there as an extra amount we learned. There is also, it is comes to our side also, it will be goes to our bank side also. As about the matter that is mainly deal with the interest. So next one is the agency and utility services. Many people are there, they are becoming as an agency here. Means in order to run, in order to bring forward here as a bank, it is a must here. Next one is the banking business. This is a banking activity, it will be there, no? It was came to be called as it is a banking business. I have already told that the system of bank is came to be called as a banking. In order to bring, I told you, in order to bring a development to a country, it is required here. As an efficient banking system is required here. So it will be came to be called as one of the type of business. So that is the next important feature of a bank. It is another banking business. I hope you are understanding. Today we learn that is the features, nearly 11 features we learned, and also even we learned about the meaning of bank, and also we learned that as two important words. It was mainly derived about this word bank, and also we learned about the introductory part. Here we are learning, or today's part we will complete here, and next class we are learning about the functions and the services and types of bank and types of bank account. Till then, take care. Thank you.